In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch edit in Luminar Neo. If you've ever edited one photo to perfection and wished you could instantly apply those exact adjustments to a whole group, this is for you. Batch editing simply means taking the edits from one image and applying them to many, so you save time and keep a consistent look across a set, like a portrait session, an event, or a landscape series shot in the same light. Start by opening Luminar Neo and fully editing a single photo. Treat this as your base image. Tweak exposure, color, contrast, details, whatever you normally adjust, so it represents the look you want across the collection. Once you're happy, head to the catalog. Select the other photos you want to update. You can hold Control on Windows or CMD on Mac and click individual thumbnails or hold Shift to select a range. With those images highlighted, right-click any one of them, go to Adjustments and choose Sync Adjustments. Luminar will copy every edit from your base image to all the selected photos in one move. This is the quickest, most reliable method and works best when the images were shot under similar lighting. After syncing, skim through the results and make small tweaks to outliers if needed. Things like white balance or exposure can vary shot to shot. If you prefer a more manual approach, you can copy and paste adjustments. Edit your main photo, right-click it, and choose Copy Adjustments. Then select the other photos, right-click, and choose Paste Adjustments. You'll get the same end result as syncing, but with a bit more control if you like applying edits to smaller groups and stages. There's also a great option if you want a reusable look. After editing a photo, go to Actions and choose Save as Preset. Give it a descriptive name so you can find it later. Then select multiple photos in your catalog and apply your preset. This is perfect for keeping a consistent style across albums and for speeding up future projects without starting from scratch every time. To recap, edit one photo thoroughly, select the rest, and use sync adjustments for the fastest batch edit. Copy and paste adjustments is a solid alternative when you want to control where and when the edits land. And if you're building a signature style, save it as a preset and apply it across many images. Once everything looks good, export all at once using your usual export workflow and you're done.